Cook chicken, broccoli and peppers this way for this deliciously and comforting dish. Hey friends, this recipe uses pantry staples to make a dish so good on any day of the week. For this recipe, I'm using chicken thighs and drums that I have removed the skin. I have broccoli, peppers, red and a yellow, some carrots, tomatoes, onions, parsley. This is a mix of thyme, rosemary and oregano, garlic, chicken stock, some flour for coating the chicken. Add the flour, salt, black pepper. Mix everything together. Briefly set aside. Some salt. Some black pepper. Mix everything all together. This chicken goes into the flour and just coat it, just lightly. The flour will protect the chicken since we removed the skin, and also just slightly thicken the sauce that will be in the dish. So it's doing two things here. Definitely, if you're gluten free, you can skip this. You can use cornstarch or just brown without. This chicken will go back onto this plate. Just shake off the excess flour and we'll just head to start browning this chicken just so lightly. Onto the stove. Into this preheating pan, vegetable oil. I'm using canola. In goes the chicken, start browning. Once the chicken starts to get just the slightest of color, give it a turn. Into the pan, add onions. Slightly reduce the heat here. Garlic. Add some chicken stock. Cover, cook the chicken for about 15 minutes or so. This chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes. You just want to give it a head start because most of the vegetables we are using, they are quick cooking. So everything cooks at the same time and you have some good textures. Add tomatoes, the chopped herbs, some parsley, a pinch red pepper flakes, lid back on, continue cooking, constantly stirring. Time to check our chicken again. The dish looks so good already. Now in goes the carrots, peppers, the rest of the chicken stock, balsamic vinegar, my secret sauce, Worcestershire sauce or the W sauce. Makes a big difference in your cooking. More black pepper. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box. Cook until the chicken is almost done, and then we'll finish with the broccoli. In the meanwhile, as the chicken cooks, I'll make a quick mashed potatoes here to go with the dish. In the last few minutes, I removed the lid, continued cooking the chicken uncovered to reduce the sauce to get this nice gravy consistency. Now finish with the broccoli. Cover, let the broccoli steam for about 5 minutes. Serve these delicious chicken broccoli and peppers over a mashed potatoes. Get some of this gravy and the broccoli, peppers and some carrots, this gravy, some of this chicken, more broccoli, parsley, this is so good. Digging into this deliciousness. Some of the vegetable and gravy. This chicken. Some more vegetables. What a comforting, delicious dish that you can do on any day of the week. The chicken is so good, falls off the bones. This is also a dish that you can do with boneless chicken. As a stir fry, it's going to go very, 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 very well. I served this dish over some mashed potatoes, rice or pasta will perfectly work with it. It uses your regular pantry staples or vegetables that are readily available in supermarkets or in stores around. So I hope this is a recipe that you can give a try and you and your family will definitely enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.